Hi guys, I will tell you shoulder approach, deltoid split approach. This is right shoulder lateral view. There is 3 incision. This is anterior, this is posterior, this is central. I can recommend this is anterior from corner of anterior portion of acromion. Like this is really better. It's not good, not bad. It's bad one. After incise the deltoid muscle, step by step release the muscle connective tissue between muscle fibers, with better slower approach. You can encounter something you can feel. Just feel the bundle with a finger. Do not try to separate the neurovascular bundles from muscle each other no vein. The thickness 1 to 1.5 centimeter. Fat on the surrounding tissue, plus extra nerve, 1 artery, and 1 or 2 veins like that. You'd better use new penrose ring like this. With a 90-degree cali or curved cali, you can pass the penrose ring like this. Thank you.